When it comes to managing finances as a freelancer, having a banking solution that is simple, efficient, and tailored to your needs is essential. Qonto has become a leading choice for freelancers, offering plans designed to make financial management seamless. Among its offerings, the best plan for freelancers is the solo plan. This plan is built specifically for independent professionals, combining affordability with the essential features needed to run a business smoothly. The solo plan costs $9 per month when billed annually, and $12 if you prefer a month-to-month subscription. It provides a dedicated business account with a personalized IBAN, allowing freelancers to separate their personal and business finances easily. This separation is crucial for tracking expenses, preparing for taxes, and maintaining a clear overview of cash flow. Included in the plan is a physical MasterCard, which can be used globally, and a virtual card for secure online payments. Both cards have real-time notifications, so you are always aware of every transaction. There is no hidden fee for standard transactions, making it predictable and easy to manage your budget. The solo plan also provides access to Qonto's intuitive mobile and web app. Through the app, freelancers can categorize expenses, upload receipts, and even automate accounting tasks. Bank statements and invoices are easy to generate, saving time during tax season. The platform integrates with popular accounting software, so freelancers can streamline bookkeeping without extra effort. Another significant advantage of this plan is the ability to make free domestic transfers within the Eurozone. International transfers are supported at competitive rates, which is ideal for freelancers working with clients across borders. The plan also allows setting up payment links, subscriptions, and SEPA direct debits, giving full control over incoming and outgoing payments. Customer support is another strong point. Qonto offers dedicated support through chat and email, providing quick responses to issues or questions. For freelancers who need a professional yet affordable banking solution, the solo plan covers all essential features without unnecessary extras. It is cost-effective, user-friendly, and fully equipped to manage the finances of an independent professional efficiently. For freelancers seeking simplicity, security, and effective money management, the Qonto Solo plan represents the best value and functionality available today.